Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest and greatest tech products. Today I have something very special for you, the MSI Stealth 17 Studio. This is a 17.3 inch QHD gaming laptop with the refresh rate of 240Hz. It's the beast of the machine that can run any game or any application you want. This is not only fast but it looks beautiful. Let's take a closer look what this laptop has to offer. So before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this laptop from Amazon with discounted price. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the future videos. Alright, now let's talk about what makes the MSI Stealth 17 Studio stand out from the crowd. First up, the star of the show, the 17.3 inch QHD display with jaw-dropping 240Hz refresh rate. Whether you are into competitive gaming or simply want the best visual experience, the display delivers vibrant colors, sharp details and pretty smooth gameplay. Under the hood, we have got the 13th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, a true performance beast. Combined with an RTX 4080 graphic card, this laptop can handle the most demanding games and creative tasks with ease. And you will never out of the memory or storage with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a lightning fast 1TB SSD. Everything loads in blink of seconds. Connectivity options are impressive with Thunderbolt 4 and USB Type-C ports, ensuring lightning fast data transfer and versatility for the connecting various peripherals. We cannot forget about the cooling system. MSI Cooler Boost Trinity Plus keeps the laptop running at peak performance even during extended gaming sessions. And of course it runs on Windows 11 Home, gives you access to the latest features and gaming optimization right out of the box. So that's it guys, the MSI Stealth 17.3 inch gaming laptop, a true gaming and productivity powerhouse. Whether you are a gamer, content creator or a multitasking enthusiast, this laptop is perfect for you. If you are in the market for gaming laptop that delivers exceptional results, so this is one of the best laptop you can choose from. That's up today's review. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and gaming content. Thanks for joining. I will keep in touch with you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.